Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2014 Toyota Sienna. As you can see, this is a rear entry mobility van. I can operate all the doors here with the key fob. They can also be operated inside. We'll get right to the conversion. This is a brand new ATS rear entry conversion. The ramp is 36 inches wide. Very easy to operate. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. And do the clamps here. I like these clamps. They keep these ramps from rattling. They hold them in. Got your handle on the driver's side, a handle on the passenger side. Look here, I'm gonna take this to the ground using only my index finger. Very easy to do. Like I said, 36-inch wide ramp. It does taper to just over 34 where the ramp sets there. Got 8 tie down points, 2 in the rear, 4 in the center, 2 all the way up front, so a total of 8. So this can hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or a stretcher. Got your spare tire there. Headliner's in great condition. This is the limited edition. It's got the dual panoramic moonroofs on them. I'll show you those more in just a second. Let me show you the rest of the interior here. Has these jump seats. Has about 25.5 inches room between those seats if you'd like to put a wheelchair front in between those. Very clean carpets. Very clean interior. Carpets are clean. This has cup holders galore in it. 2 here, 2 here. 2 more pop out here. Got the heated seats. The dash is in excellent condition. Overall super clean van. Only 47,000 miles on it. Got the steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Can operate all the doors there, up there on top as well. So when you've got everybody secure, you come back out. Again, it takes just 1 finger here. Put it back up and you're ready to roll. I'm going to do a quick walk around of the van. Very clean, got the tinted windows, roof rack, alloy wheels. This is a really sharp looking van. Tires all have excellent tread left on them. I can tell whoever had this van really took care of it. I do see one tiny little ding there in the gas cap. If that's a big deal to you, that could be replaced. Fairly simple. Has the not only the backup camera, but also has the controls there to let you know when you're getting close to something. They'll beep at you. So a lot of great safety features on this van, and this thing looks darn near brand new. I'd have to bet my lunch this thing's been garaged. Super clean interior. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke. Has the 1 key fob there. If you want us to get you a second one or more of them, we can get those made on your dime. They're usually about $199 a piece. The jump seats in the rear, those are brand new, part of the conversion. The conversion itself comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty. Just everywhere you look on this van, it looks great. It looks super clean. It smells good. It looks good. Over here on the driver's side, got the power seats as well. All leather, fully loaded van. This key can actually be in my pocket or in your purse or wherever. When I'm in the van, I come in, push button start, put my foot on the brake, push the ignition key down there, ready to go. See, the current mile is 46,247. All the dummy lights work. There's no check engine light, no ABS light, none of that on. It's also got your backup camera, another great safety feature. The dual climate control, the rear air. And it's also got the front moonroof there, which is neat, but it's also got the second moonroof in the back. How cool is that? So if you have got kids or you got passengers back there and you get a nice day, they both work perfectly. Everything on this van. We've touched every button. All the power windows, power locks, air conditioner heat. Everything seems to work just like it should on this van. Let me pop the hood so you can listen to it run. I think I already mentioned it's got the heated seats as well. Underneath the hood, it looks good. No signs of any damage. We've checked for any signs of damage, any water damage, any leaks. We check these over very thorough before we buy them. I'm buying from the same perspective you are. I don't want anything that's been underwater. I don't want anything that's been in a bad wreck. Super clean top to bottom. So no matter who you buy from, make sure they make a video like this for you. If they're gonna ask you to spend $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 and they won't get out and make a 5-minute video for you, then who are you buying from and what are they trying to sell you? That's the #1 mistake people make when car shopping. They assume because it looks nice in pictures that it runs and drives good. They assume because the salesman was nice, he's being honest with them. So I just don't assume things. Get the videos like this. Do your due diligence, do your homework, People get taken advantage every day on the internet. Don't be one of them. Let's get the van out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles out on the highway so you can hear them run. Feel the transmission shift, and you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or whether you come in and drive this van home, we've made sure that it's roadworthy. Get up to about 65 miles an hour, no problems. Set the cruise control. Cruise works great about 65. You can see the steering wheel is nice and straight. Track's very nice down the highway. And listen, I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. Look up their ratings on Google reviews. Look us up. We have excellent ratings. People have said great things about us. Check out our A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau as well. We've got a great reputation, and there's a reason for that. We get out, we make these videos. We want you to know exactly what you're getting. Don't buy a van from across the country just after seeing a few pictures. Make sure you get a very detailed video like this so you know exactly what you're getting. I've been doing this 8 years. I've never had a customer call me one time and say, you know, this is not what I was expecting. If you need measurements, if you need any more videos, let me know. I'll be happy to help. Now what I'm going to do is take this next exit. I'm going to give it a nice hard brake at the bottom of the exit so you know that there's no brake squeaking, no grinding, no unusual noises or anything like that. Very nice. And no, this is not a brand new van, but dang, it sure looks close to it. Inside and out, it runs like it. Has so many neat features for your family or even to market your business. I think this van will make a great van for many years to come, as long as it's taken care of. And when you're out there, when you're comparing us to the competition, please go ahead. Not only our prices, keep in mind I'm the owner of the company. I'm out making these videos for you. I'm crawling around on the ground. I want you to know exactly what you're getting. And with that being said, I'm the owner. I'm not a used car salesman or woman. A lot of those people, they won't even be working there in a week or two. They'll find another job. You know, they don't care if they tell you the truth or not. They don't care if you get a good deal. They just care about getting that commission check and moving on to the next. I'm the owner. I have a vested interest in this company. I care about our customers because our customers are what makes our company. I want your repeat business. I'll be here 5 years from now, 10 years from now. I want a referral from you. So if you want to check out our entire inventory, please look us up online, www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. If you ever want to come in, please always make an appointment with me. Give me a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text on my cell phone, 316-518-4377. We do have financing available. Again, we do have free shipping in the lower 48 states. My name is Jeremiah, and as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call me today.